Students, in previous video we have already taken the information about the first condition of the profit maximization, that is P is equal to MC, means the price is equal to marginal cost. Under the perfect competitive market, firm's profit maximizing output becomes the level of output when price is equal to marginal cost. Then in this video we are going to take the more information about the second condition, that is the marginal cost must be non-decreasing at Q0, means zero quantity. Then when the profit maximizing output level is positive, no, there cannot be a positive level of output that a profit maximizing firm produces in the competitive market, at which market is not equal to marginal cost. Means under the perfect competitive market, the output will be produces, means the production will be produces at the equilibrium point where the marginal cost is equal to marginal revenue. Marginal cost means it is the cost of production of an extra unit of the output or extra unit of the commodity, and marginal revenue means it is an additional revenue or it is an extra income of the firm which obtained from the sale of an additional, means extra unit of the product or extra unit of the commodity. Means when the marginal cost is equal to marginal revenue, then there is a profit maximizing output level is positive. See here, in the perfect competitive market, AR is known as the market price. AR means average revenue. Average revenue means it is the amount of revenue, means it is the amount of income per unit sold, and which is known as the market price, means P. And this market price will be equal to marginal revenue as well as the average revenue, and this should be equal to the marginal cost. Means see here, in the perfect competitive market, average revenue is known as market price, means AR means P, means price, and this market price will be equal to the MR or AR, means the marginal revenue and average revenue, and it should be equal to the marginal cost. Means in the perfect competitive market, P means the price must be equal to the marginal cost. Suppose if the firm increases the output where the market price is not equal to marginal cost, that time firm will be incur losses. Why the firm incur losses? It is to the firm increases output where the price is not equal to cost. And what is our condition? If we wanted to maximize the output level, then our condition is P is equal to marginal cost, means price is equal to marginal cost. But here the market price means the price is not equal to the marginal cost, so the firm will incur losses. As marginal cost will greater than the market price, then there will be no equilibrium also. See here, if the marginal cost of production is more than the price of the commodity. Means the MC is greater than the average revenue, means the AR, then there will be no equilibrium. Why? Because here the cost of the production is more than the market price. So there is no equilibrium. Means there cannot be a positive level of output if the market price, means average revenue, is not equal to marginal cost. See here, if there is a, means there cannot be a positive level of output if the P is not equal to the MC. See here, if P is not equal to MC, then there cannot be a positive level of output. Students, we will explain it with the help of an diagram. See here, in the diagram, on the OX axis, we represents the output levels, and on the OY axis, we represents the price of the cost of the commodity. See here, in the diagram, at output levels Q1 and Q4, the market price is equal to the marginal cost, that is P is equal to MC. See here, at the output level Q1 and Q4, the price, means AR, means average revenue, is equal to the marginal cost. Here the MC curve is downward sloping. See here, at the output level Q1 and Q4, the price is equal to the marginal cost. Price is equal to the marginal cost at the Q1 and Q4 out level. Here the marginal cost curve downward sloping. Means here we claim that Q1 cannot be the profit maximizing output level. See here, we claim that Q1 cannot be the profit maximizing output level. Why? Because all output levels slightly, means just to the left Q1, and market price is lower than the MC. See here, market price is lower than the MC at the Q1 level of the output. Means here, when market price is P, the output level of profit maximizing of firm cannot be Q1 because MC is downward sloping. See, if the price is P, then output level of the profit maximizing cannot be Q1. Why? Because at the Q output level, Q1 output level, the marginal cost curve is downward sloping. So Q1 is cannot be the profit maximizing level. See here, Q2 and Q3. Here the market price exceeds the marginal cost. See here, at the Q2 and Q3 output level, the market price exceeds, means more than the marginal cost. Means see here, at the Q2 and Q3 output level, the market price, means P, is more than the marginal cost. And at the Q5 and Q6, at the output level of Q5 and Q6, marginal cost exceeds the marginal price. See here, at the output level Q5 and Q6, the marginal cost is exceeds means more than the price level, means more than the price at the Q5 and Q6. At the output level of the Q5 and Q6, the marginal cost is more than the price. So in conclusion, there cannot be the positive level of output if AR is not equal to MC, means P is not equal to MC. If P is not equal to MC, then there cannot be a positive level of output. Why? Because price is not equal to the marginal cost. But when the marginal cost is equal to marginal revenue, then output will be produces in the perfect competition market. Why? Because here cost is equal to the marginal revenue, means the income of the firm. So the firm produces the production or commodity. So students, this is all about the profit maximization of the condition 2. Hope all of you understood this. Thank you.